Let's tackle the big one, the environment. When it comes to cars, everyone wants to know, are electric vehicles really as green as they seem, or is there more to the story? Electric cars are sold as green, zero tailpipe emissions, no fumes, cleaner city air. You can drive through town without leaving a trail of pollution behind you, and that's a big deal for people living in crowded cities. That's a huge win for urban life. Cleaner air means healthier lungs, less asthma, and a better quality of life for everyone, especially kids and the elderly. Petrol cars, on the other hand, burn fossil fuels and pump out gases that warm the planet. Every time you fill up at the pump, you're adding to the carbon in the atmosphere, contributing to climate change and smog. Electric cars don't burn anything. They use battery power. Instead of an engine, you've got a battery and an electric motor, which means no exhaust and no direct emissions. So, for local air pollution, EVs are the clear winner. Cities with more electric cars see less smog and fresher air, making them more livable and attractive. But where does the electricity come from? If it's coal or gas, you're just moving pollution elsewhere. The source of your power matters, a lot. The good news is that the grid is getting greener every year, with more wind, solar, and hydropower coming online. As the energy mix shifts, EVs get cleaner over time, even if they start out less than perfect. Making batteries is energy-intensive and involves mining, which has its own footprint. Extracting lithium, cobalt, and nickel can harm local environments and communities if not managed responsibly. Building an EV creates more CO2 than a petrol car, but over its lifetime, the electric car overtakes and becomes the cleaner option. The more you drive, the more you offset that initial carbon cost. The longer you drive it, the bigger the environmental win. After a few years, most EVs have a smaller carbon footprint than their gas-powered cousins. It's not a perfect solution, but it's a step in the right direction. Cleaner technology, better batteries, and greener grids are all moving us forward. The journey to green motoring is underway, and every electric mile helps drive us closer to a healthier planet.